Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship, I'd like to mention item 9. Here in this IA, some facts and figures has been left out. So I may be allowed to withdraw with a liberty to file afresh, Lordship. Facts and figures are missing out.
IA.
IA.
Why don't you amend it?
Lordship,
Okay, IA 261/2024. On the prayer made on by Mr. D. Bose, Learned Counsel for the applicant, comma, the Mr. D. Bose, Learned Counsel for the applicant submits that on account of certain inadvertent errors occasioning in the instant interlocutory application, he prays that the same may be permitted to be withdrawn with liberty to refile the same. So, except interlocutory application stands dismissed on withdrawal with liberty as prayed for.
highly obliged, Lordship.
Make this, Lordship. I say with apologies, Lordship, I'm trying to move a miscase for restoration of an application.
Today, it will not be possible.
The difficulty is it was a money order. And because of this dismissal of this RFA, whatever the stay order, the execution have started.
Order by?
Order by Lordships.
Which is the order? Show me.
9/12 order. I'm not having it with me. In this case, I've just filed it.
That can be moved anywhere.
That is true, but then the difficulty is, Lordship, they have already started with the execution. It's a 4 crores money order where we didn't even get the chance.
Show me my order.
I'm not having the miscase with me.
Why was it dismissed?
Because of non-appearance, Lordship.
Why? Nobody appeared?
The grounds taken is basically that we were arbitration counsels and there was no local counsel been engaged by the petitioners. And when the matter was first moved, there was no date fixed. So therefore, when the matter came, and if the policy was not uploaded in the website.
Because see, that's why I kept
so
it.
If it is possible, as the last matter, if it's possible. As the last matter, Lordship.
Before rising of the court, if it comes?
Yes, I'll just take a chance, Lordship.
If the list is over, I'm sorry.
I understand, Lordship.
No, if before the list is over. We don't dismiss cases like that. We waited for a long time. And I think I've gone through the matter also.
Yes,
somebody appeared for the respondents.
I don't think so.
It was an FAO.
It was an RFA.
RFA.
Yes, Lordship. It was unfortunate, Lordship. I'll just give the details.
May I please, Your Lordship? Well, this matter relates to reference matter, Malad. What happened was that, Malad, the petition...
What is to be done today? But
Malad, it can be disposed of, Malad.
We'll hear them.
Because the reference authority, he has no power to look into the limitation matter, Malad. The limitation matter under section 64, subclause 1(2), under that only deputy commissioner or collector can only look into that. So maximum is 1 year if there is some delay of 1 year. But in our case, it's not delay, Malad. Your Lordship has passed the order because they were not giving the award.
You did not make this application before 6 weeks before the...
No, we have made, my Lord.
Within 6 weeks?
Yes, my Lord. Within 6 months, my Lord, what happened was that award was not made available to us. So we have to approach. We have to approach your Honorable High Court, my Lord. Your Lordship has passed the order. I have the order, my Lord. And that limitation will start from that, my Lord. That is
my order.
Yes, my Lord. And then only we will furnish the award, and accordingly we file the reference application before the Deputy Commissioner.
Okay, we'll hear it.
Okay.
Heard Mr. Asma, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Ms. M.S. G. Learned, Additional Senior Government Advocate, appearing for the respondent number 1.
Yes, sir.
Also, issue notice, returnable 4 weeks. Ms. accepts notice on behalf of the respondent number 1. Also, no formal notice is to be issued. However, requisite extra copies of the petition of the petition be furnished to the Learned Government Advocate. Also, petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 2 by way of registered post with any steps within 2 working days from today. Also, raised it to list this matter immediately on conclusion of 4 weeks with a note pertaining to the status of service upon the respondent number 2. Mr. Day, you also have your instructions. Small issue is involved.
Obliged.
My please lordship. Malad, here the applicant accused is Malad, government servant Malad. He's working in.
Now, one by one is coming.
Malad,
That day it was an advocate. Today it is a government servant.
junior Malad, he is working junior. He never left Itanagar in the month of December, Malad. He has every proof of that, Malad. Because the authorities.
That you go and place before the. Where is the earlier order?
Lordship, I have not annexed the Malad.
Lordship. Yes,
Only that WhatsApp thing.
that's their evidence.
That's
Your Lordship.
their-
Their evidence. Your Lordship.
Verify. Let the IU verify. Government servant, if he is not, otherwise if he is behind the bars.
With the strictest conditions, Your Lordship.
He'll
Even
appear.
in the
Yes.
interim, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Because the FIR clearly reflects his name, Your Lordship. With
a
a very
name of
clear,
the-
very strict conditions, Your Lordship.
What are the conditions you say?
Your Lordship.
He'll appear?
Yes. In no manner, Your Lordship, any kind of influence be made to any of the witnesses, Your Lordship.
Definitely, Malad.
That we'll put it.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Mr. P. Tafel, learned counsel for the applicant, also heard this. EGB, learned additional public prosecutor appearing for the state respondent. Also, the present, the present interlocutory the present application has been instituted praying for pre-arrest bail of the pre-arrest bail to the accused applicant Chongim Lambu in connection with Chayang Tajo Police Station case number 06/2024 under section
Under section Malad 102.
103 bracketed 2 oblique 238 bracketed A and 61 bracketed 2 of the BNS 2023. Also, issue notice, call for the case diary. Also, considering the contentions raised by the petitioner in the present application and also the documents annexed thereto, and also the plea that the petitioner on the date of occurrence of the said incident was at Itanagar, and accordingly he was not, and accordingly that he is in no way connected with the offense alleged in the FIR. Also, it is provided that in the event of arrest of the petitioner of the accused applicant so-and-so Chongim Langbu in connection with Poparwala case, he shall be released on bail on a furnishing of a bail bond of rupees 20,000 with like surety of with two local surety of like amount, right? Subject to the following conditions. 1, the petitioner shall appear before the investigating officer on or before, let it be on 31st,
Before 31 Malad.
before 31/12/2024, full stop. And also furnish before the investigating officer all relevant, but appear and get his statement recorded. So, बाकी जो normal हम लोग जो condition influence नहीं करेगा, leave नहीं करेगा, leave करने वाला नहीं चाहिए, influence वाला खाली लगा दीजिए. When, ma'am?
What's the next?
Seven.
Lordship, one of the condition, Your Lordship. The other conditions that those conditions where he should not in any way contact.
That have given.
Okay.
That have given.
the-
List this matter again on 7, raised it to list this matter again on 7/1/2025 for production of case diary. I'll put it that you will not even meet or talk, you will not even approach or meet the informant and the other witnesses.
Malad.
Yes, my lord. This is a pre-arrest bail, lordship. Petitioner before this.
You are the man who got the character to the informant.
He's the grantor of.
Ah,
I'm just only a grantor, lordship. Maybe it's a.
you first, he approached you, you did not have money, so you found out
Yes, lordship. That I.
you get your case there. The other case also we have not, Dhiraj Pao was before us, we did not pass any order.
Lordship, in this matter, there is an already interim protection against the main accused.
Dhiraj Pao,
Yes, lordship.
by this court,
It's
Yes, by this.
Monos paid lordship.
Manoj,
Yes, lordship.
No, lordship. I've annexed that lordship.
where is that order?
May kindly go through page 19, lordship.
19 is Manoj paid.
No, lordship. Here since he is behind the bus in related to another case.
Okay, the other one.
The other one. The paragraph 3, lordship, on page 3, page 20 of paragraph 3, lordship. In the event of the arrest, accused applicant so and so, in connection with this is the same Alo PS case number 63 of 2024 under section so and so shall be enlarged on interim period.
If it's arising of same FIR, then this matter may be taken up by the.
No, this will have to go. It is pointed out by the learned counsel for the applicant that in a case arising from the same FIR, in a bail application arising from a same FIR, a coordinate bench of this court had considered the issue. Accordingly, registry is directed to list this matter before the bench, considering the matter in AB number 136/2024 on 23/12/2024. Other matter also I sent it there only.
Lordship, it's a joint application, Lordship. Both the parties has compromised.
One thing, the girl is a small girl. What required you to put all these photographs here? You're not being aggrieved by that, by the assault made on her. You have not assailed that here. Why those photographs? She's a small girl studying. Why? This is a public document now. Anybody can take a certified copy of this. Why such exhibition?
Lordship, we are extremely sorry for that, Lordship.
Be careful.
We will be careful.
If you are alleging or the assault on her, you are making a grievance, we understand. Show the extent you are doing it. But here that is not the case. Right, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Please don't.
Lordship, we'll be careful.
Ladies have their own privacy. Maintain that.
Lordship.
It's not, should not be put in a public place like this, okay?
All right.
I don't know why this was compromised at the first place. It was against a official.
Oh,
How
public-
can she?
During public,
She is not on her own. She is on as a police official. Whether this can be condoned by her.
Lordship,
I would have understood a personal enemy or personal tussle or personal assault. But this is an assault on the police by the petitioner number 1. And that is when she was under custody or detention. Custody, not arrest, but under the police control. She did this. Then, yes, madam, what do you say on that?
Your Lordship, otherwise, though she was in her following, she was in her duty, Your Lordship. However,
Yes,
she is the sufferer victim otherwise, Your Lordship. So that case, Your Lordship. However, if I may, Your Lordship, since the cases of FIR is of August, Your Lordship, we'll just need the case diary.
You
to
can get the case there. Charge sheet has not been filed.
no, Lordship.
Heard Mr. J. Ginny, learned counsel for the petitioners, and Ms. M.S. T. Ginny, learned additional public prosecutor appearing for the state. Full stop. issue notice returnable 4 weeks. Ms. Jajini accepts notice on behalf of the sole respondent. Full stop. Considering the issue raised in the present proceeding and noticing that the FIR was filed only recently, that is on 6/8/2024, this court, before proceeding to consider the present issue, the issue raised in the present proceeding on its merits, would like to peruse the case diary. Full stop. Accordingly, on the returnable date, Ms. E. Ginny, additional public prosecutor, shall place before this court the case diary in connection with Doemu Police Station case number 83 of 2024 under section 132/115 bracketed 2/324 bracketed 3 of BNS 2023, when raised it to list this matter again on 7th is Tuesday. 8, 9, when? 7/12, the 7/1/2025. We'll see on the next day. All right.
Right, please. Lordship, this is joint application for quashing of FIR dated 16/11/2024. FIR is placed at page number 9.
This FIR you filed on 20th?
No, Lordship.
No, sorry, page 20, sorry, page 19.
Yes, Lordship.
Hmm?
Yes, Lordship.
Are the facts wrong? There, what you have stated
Yes,
is
Lordship.
incorrect.
Yes, Lordship.
Incorrect.
Yes, Lordship.
Proceed against him. Ginny, proceed against him.
Lordship, the complainant, he himself has tendered apology.
This is not done. Why did you, because in the settlement deed, you have said
Yes,
that this is wrong.
Lordship,
Nothing like this happened.
Lordship, in
Why
fact,
did you trouble the police then?
Lordship, there was minor discrepancy.
Police has enough work. Why this we should entertain?
Yes, Lordship. In fact, they were friends, Lordship.
So we will have to now proceed against, what is the section?
Malicious prosecution.
Malicious prosecution.
Lordship, in fact, they all were friends since.
Now you will pay to the police welfare fund.
Yes, and
how
they
much
are-
will you pay?
Yes, Lordship.
I'll quash it. How much will you pay?
Lordship.
How much? Because you have set a whole police station into action.
Lordship, I am not denying the fact that there was a minor discrepancy.
So you tell me, not minor scuffle. Here it's different.
Yes, Lordship. The allegation is, I am admitting that the allegation.
No, you have not. In the settlement deed and in the withdrawal order, you said these are all wrong.
Yes, Lordship, they had some drinks together.
On the
Lordship. On the influence
basis
of
of
alcohol.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the applicant, petitioner submits that he be given 2 weeks time to place before the court further particular, to place for an adjournment in the matter. Prayer is not objected to by Ms. T. Ginny. Raised it to list this matters again after how many? New Year,
After, yes, Lordship, on.
New Year, on 7/1/20. No, 7 both of you.
On
Yes,
9,
Your
Lordship.
9/1/2025. This is not done. At least I'm not going to come.
Lordship. Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Your Lordship.
Hmm.
I'm appearing.
Yes, anything? Jenny?
Yes.
Anything?
I've just received the CD, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Your Lordship,
Anything?
yes, Your Lordship. He has come with interim for giving his statement, but then his statement is completely contradictory to one of these accused statement, Your Lordship. If I may, Your Lordship.
You do one thing. You go through it nicely.
Yes, Your Lordship.
We'll have it after some time.
Okay.
When do you want it? Next week?
Next week, Your Lordship.
The prayer made on by the learned counsel for the parties, raised it to list this matter again on 23?
23rd, Your Lordship.
23/12/2024. Ms. Chini, learned additional public prosecutor, has received the case diary. The same may be retained by her till the next day.
Yes.
List this matter again on 23/12/2025.
Deeply.
All right.
That is, Your Lordship.
Mr. Bhattakur. Mr. Bhattakur.
Lordship.
23rd,
Yes,
because
Lordship.
the CD has been received. She wants to go through it. 23rd.
23rd, Your Lordship, I will not be available, Your Lordship.
When do you want?
Holidays are there.
Okay, when do you want?
After vacation, any day.
Third.
After vacation, any day.
Third.
Third, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, in that case,
CD will go back.
CD.
Case has been praised that the matter be taken up. Oh, madam. The Learned Council for the parties have submitted that the matter be adjourned today and be taken up on 3/1/2025.
Lordship.
Also, CD has been received, Ms. T. Ginny to return the CD and receive an updated one and place the same before this court on the next date of listing. Full stop. Registered to list this matter again on 3/1/2025.
Till then, Your Lordship, interim orders will continue.
Interim order to continue till then.
Deeply obliged. Deeply obliged.
Happy New Year.
Same to you, Your Lordship. Obliged.
May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, here I am very sorry to
You're
say
not
this
sorry.
Here, Your Lordship, actually, total respondent was from respondent number 4 to 88. By mistakenly, only other, there is no any issue.
No mistake on the part of the court. Mistake on your.
Yes, Your Lordship, I apologize that. In near future, I will be very cautious.
It's okay, it's happened sometimes. Don't worry. Not very serious thing. Heard Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel for the applicant. And also Madam so-and-so appearing for the respondents number 1, 2, 3. Also, the present interlocutory application has been instituted praying for correction of a of an error occasioning in the order dated 6/12/2022 passed by this court in IA number 242/2024. Full stop. IA number 242/2024 was so instituted by the present applicants praying for impleading 85.
88, it should be 88. Your
No.
Lordship.
How many applicants?
85, Your Lordship.
85 applicants. 85 persons
Respondents.
as respondents in the connected writ petition being WPC number 410 AP/2024. However, in the cause title of the said IA, that is IA number 242 AP/2024, it was inadvertently projected that the application was for impleading the persons as party respondents number 4 to 85, whereas actually it should have been 4 to 88. So there was the contentions made in the present application, and also consider the consider the order dated and also consider the materials and consider the submissions made by the Learned Counsel for the parties. Also, it being an admittedly it is on account of the error on the part of the present applicants that in the order dated 6/12/2024 passed by this court in IA number 242/2024, the number of the impleadment was so permitted in respect of only 81 persons, and they were directed to be impleaded as respondents number 4 to 85, whereas in the said application they were in fact whereas the said application was so filed for impleading 85 persons as party respondents, and they ought to have been impleaded as respondents number 4 to 85. Full stop.
4 to 88, Your Lordship.
4 to 88.
88.
88, sorry, 4 to 88. Full stop. In view of the above position, and noticing that on account of a technique, in view of the above position, this court is of the considered view that the present interlocutory application requires to be allowed, and the Learned Counsel appearing for the respondents have also not objected to it. Full stop. Accordingly, the word 81 so occasioning in the order dated 6/12/2024 in IA number
242
shall now be read as 85 with words, 85 words may be 85. Also, further, the direction contained in the said order. For further, the words respondents number 4 to 85 apostrophe close, shall now be read as 4 to 88.
Yes, Lord.
Also, in view of the said correction, comma, the petitioner is allowed to implead the private respondents as respondents number 4 to 88 in WPC number 242 AP 2024. Okay?
Meantime, Your Lordship, I would like to pray that notice may be issued
No.
to implement the.
First, now you come to the main petition. WPC 242. No, 410 AP. So, in view of the order passed today in IA number 259 AP 2024, petitioner is permitted to implead 85 persons named therein as respondents number 4 to 88 in the present proceedings. Petitioner to file an amended cause title incorporating the names of the said 85 persons as respondents. Amended cause title incorporating within a period of 3 days from within a period of 2 working days from today. So, on filing of such amended cause title and the necessary corrections may be made in the CIS, registry to list this matter again in the second week of January.
Okay.
Disposed of. I disposed of. Madam, has an award been issued here?
I'm told it has been issued, though I don't
Then-
have a copy of the same.
Then
I don't.
then
have a-
you utilize the power then if you have been left out. You
Yes.
you have a way out. Why this repeat?
Actually, Lordship, while filing this, I was not aware, but the learned counsel had informed me that for other.
You have your instructions whether award has been passed here.
Yes, Lordship.
Otherwise, if the award is passed and you have been left out, you are covered by the 2039. There is a provision. You can go before the claim, make a claim before the, what do you call it? Hello, CAO. What CLO? The Deputy Commissioner is called? Authorized officer.
Yes.
You go before him.
Lordship, but I'm not really sure about this. That's
You
what I-
have your instructions.
Yes, Lordship.
Have your instructions on the train. Award has been passed here.
Here in this case, my lord, I am trying to see the instruction, my lord, as directed by this honorable, my lord. In fact, my lord, the department is also seeking documents from the.
So there also vacation has come in. So before vacation, nothing is going to happen. Okay. On the prayer of
But-
Mr. D.
Lordship,
No.
if they go ahead with the construction, they might.
Madam, nothing is going to
disturb it.
happen. You only satisfy me that how can I stop it when there is an award already passed?
No, I'm not really sure about that. That
That
will
is
be
that
right.
really sure you say no or yes.
No, I'm not sure about it.
Then forget it. On the prayer of Mr. I'm not putting in your mouth. Mr. D. Kamduplan, Standing Counsel for Land Management Department submits that he be granted time till 7/1/2025 to complete his instructions in the matter. Also, prayer is not objected to by the Land Council for the petitioner. However, she submits that there is an urgency in the matter and an early resolution is called for. Also, accordingly, registry to list this matter again on 7/1/2025. On the next day, the Land Council for the parties shall also apprise this court as to whether any award has been passed pertaining to the parcel of land now involved in the present proceedings.
Lordship, in that case, the prayer for interim may be
The
kept open.
prayer for interim relief is the prayer of the petitioner for interim relief shall be so considered on 7/1/2025 on receipt of instructions by so and so. Mr. D. Kamdu.
Oblige.
Yes, Mr. Soma.
Order is at page 17. Otherwise, a very unfortunate situation that has happened here. 18 is the effective portion of the order.
No, nobody had appeared for 2 days.
Yes, Lordship. The explanation to this is
None
what
has
happened.
entered appearance and we are for the office not dated so and so.
Yes, Lordship, it's true.
Not taken steps on the service of notice upon this. Notice in the present case was issued on so and so. Conduct reflects that he is not instructed according to the matter stands dismissed. We had kept this matter.
On second call, Lordship,
Second call.
I've seen that. So what has happened here in was
Will not recall it without hearing the private respondent. You take steps on the private respondent.
private
But
respondent-
Mr. You have not even taken steps. You were the counsel then also.
Lordship, no.
Then?
Not-
You were not the counsel
Who else?
in the RFA?
RFA, yes, I have counsel, yes.
Lekha. Heard Mr. A. Sharma, counsel for the petitioner. The present application has been filed for praying for recalling of an order dated 9/12/2024 passed by this court in RFA number 3/2024, dismissing the same for non-prosecution. Full stop. Issue notice, returnable, you'll take Dusty? Or
Yes, Lordship. Not Dusty, registered.
returnable on today is 20.
Today is 20.
How are you placed on 21? Any outstations? 22?
17, I'll be here. 17th, I'm here.
17th here.
You can try on 17, Lordship.
Okay. Registered to list this matter on 17/1/2025. Full stop. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon the sole respondent by way of registered post with any steps within 2 working days from today.
Oblige, Lordship.
Happy New Year
Yeah.
and a happy Christmas. Merry Christmas. Meet up again next year.